Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker, and today I'll show you how you can check the model of this speaker. So it's very simple. We have to rotate our device like that, and when you take a look closer you can find the model number right here. Right? There we got also the name of our speaker, and if you input this model information to your Google phone, you will get the information. So it's L09G. So let's try to make it. I will make it on my phone. L09G. What do you get here? As you can see, when we input the model of our speaker, we will get it right here on the Google. And that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.